Now let us see inserting shapes into the document. So go to menu insert and click on shapes. Here we can see a number of shapes from lines, rectangles, basic shape to colored options. Okay, we can select anyone. Okay, now here I am selecting this arrow, and now I have selected the arrow. I have to draw it. Okay, so you can see the plus sign. Left click, press the left button of your mouse and draw it. Okay, now I want to change the size of this shape, this inserted image. Okay, so I am just changing its size. Got it? Okay, now you can see an additional menu is here, that is shape format. Okay, so this menu will appear only if I select this particular shape. Okay, suppose I go to text, this menu will disappear. Again, I select this particular shape, then this menu will appear. Okay, so this shape format is to format your added shape. How? Let us see. First thing, we can edit the shape. Now, I inserted the arrow, but I think after inserting, I think it is not suiting with the text. Then I can change it. Click on edit shape, click on change shape, and you can select anything what you want. Okay, let's see. Let us take this one. Okay, stripped arrow. Okay, I think this is fine. So let us work on this. Okay, here if you want to change the points of this shape, if you want to change the shape according to your feasibility, your need, that also you can do. Click on edit points. Now you can see the changing points. Select any point, left click. Okay, and you can change it. Got it? In this way. So I don't want this, so I am just doing undo. Okay, now yeah, we were into shape format. Okay, so now we understood how to edit the shape. Okay, we can draw a text box as well. So I'm clicking on the text box. Okay, you can see this plus sign, and I want to draw a text box at the bottom of this document. So I will go here and I will draw a box. Okay, so the text box will appear and I will write whatever I want to write here. Text box. Okay, sample text box. I can format it according to my need. Okay, once I select, this box will appear. Just format it. That's it. Now you can see a text box being added. Okay, now let us select the shape again and go to shape format. Okay, now I can change the theme of this shape. Okay, I want to select this one or anything. Means we can just move our cursor and we can preview the change style. I want to select this one, so I have selected. Okay, shape fill. Now it is in light blue color. If I want to change, I can change it according to my need. Got it? Let's take this one. Okay. Even if I want to add a picture here, I can add. We can select picture from files, stock images, online picture that we have already seen our previous session. Okay, the same process we can follow and add the pictures. Okay, now suppose here I want to add a uh, texture. Okay, I like this texture, so I want to add here. So I have added this. Got it? Now I think this is not suiting with my need. Then I can again go and change. Okay, so let's take this one. Uh, Now I want to write something here. So I can write simply just type on keyboard and it will be text will be written here. You can change the size. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Now next is now shape fill we have checked. Now shape outline. So we can outline this shape. How? Let's see. I want to just to highlight you. I want to take a dark red. Okay, dark red, and I want to keep it little weighted, or let's say in this way, scribbled. Okay, and I want to make it as I said, a red color. Okay, and that's it. So I have changed the style. So fill I have changed, outline I have changed. Now shape effect. Okay, we can add a shadow here. Okay, we can add a reflection here. You can see the reflection. Okay, we can even make it glow. Got it? We can rotate it in 3D way. Okay, that's up to us how we do it. Okay, now this is how we can insert and design the shapes. Okay, according to our need. Okay, now this text. Okay, so I want to change. Now I have selected. That is the reason it is showing the preview. Okay, now I want to change the text color to this one. So I can change it. Even I can change the outline. Okay, even I can add a reflection, shadow, or glow, some effects to the text. Okay, that's to us. For now I'm not adding anything, but we can add. We can transform the text in the way what we want. That's up to us. Okay, as per how it depends how it suits with the shape. So my text is suiting the shape, so I'm not changing anything here. Okay, got it. We can align the text, whether it is top, middle, or bottom, that we have already learned in our previous sessions. This is positioning of your added shape. Just click on anything and you can position it. Okay, and positioning at the top only. Okay, wrap text that we have already checked in our previous session. So this is how about this is just about everything. How to add the shape and how to format the shape. Okay, and just to remind, we have added a text box also here. In the same way, we can edit the text box as well. Okay.